All right, welcome to the stream. Uh, right, let's do this. Market just opened not too long ago, so we are going to cut some trade. So let's handle businesses. Eh? So let me see if my everything is working. Okay, let me see. Hello, test test. Okay, we are up and running. All right, so I just wanted to test. So, okay, so as usual, we wait for the first 5 minutes to pass. So you're not missing anything while I'm doing the testing because we are going to no business here. All right, this is the 5 minute. We're going to look at the 15 minutes here. Okay, for now. We're going to switch back to the 5 after. This is the hourly chart. We can see where we are. Market opening, right? But we are pushing up, right? So what we need to see here is whether we're gonna be able to break above this area here, that 29,200 area. And I think we're going there. As of now, we are at the 158, 160, 29, 160. So that means we can catch something there. But, however, I want to uh, do something here. We're gonna look at the 5 minute opening range here that is currently building. This bar that is gray back you see here, that is creating, that's the 5 minute opening range. You see on the 15 minutes that we were going down now, we're reaching an area that could be resistance soon, but we're trying to break out of that area to see if we can turn around and start going up there, right? But there's a target up here, as you can see, right? The 200 that I mentioned, and that that current hourly candle looks great, right? For this to happen, for us to touch that 200. That don't mean the next hourly is gonna just push up. It could be a pause on the next hourly. But for now, we worry about catching that 200 move here. Uh, let's prep. So the first 5 minutes is done. So now this box here represents the 5 minute opening range, that gray area you see, plus the green area here. Yeah. So let's see if we can put to use that simple strategy, but yet one of the most well-known reliable strategy that we use. The problem is we right at the resistance area. So if we're gonna play this, we need a break of the 5 minute range, right? But I mean, it's tempting to just jump in because you can see here on the 15 minute where we are. But however, we don't want to just do that, right? You can see on the 5 minute what's happening. There's a retrace happening right now, which is good. That's good news. Because a retrace down to the 29, let's say 29, 20, 29 120 or 29 100. A quick tap of the 29 100 and then we trace back, and then on the next 5 minute candle, we could catch that two bar that's going to create. And that two bar probably, I mean, that three bar probably will be the opportunity to catch the breakout out of this orb here. So we'll see. Let's wait patiently. There's no rush to jump in, and so we're just going to have to chill. Yeah, and wait. Waity. All right. And by the way, I will be dropping a nice little tutorial video for you guys today. As soon as I get off the, as soon as I get off the, how they call it, this live stream, I will be, you know, right? They decide to push. They decide not to wait. So Let's see what happens. The timer, yeah, I gotta change the timer color. I can't even see it. Give me a second on this. It's blue. Let me change the timer color. Let me see. Timer thing. Timer. Okay. So text is blue. We're gonna change that to white for now. I'll change it so you can see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there's about 2 minutes left. That is why we don't jump in, right? You see what happened? They pretend they're poking, they go in the breakout, and then they come right back. So I think the best play is what I'm doing currently. Wait for the next 5 minute candles to give us the okay to jump in. I'm gonna quickly drop this link somewhere here. And remember, this is just for educational purposes, and entertainment. So uh, we are no financial advisor, right? So I am not. So there you go. I post that. Hey, hopefully these guys they bring some. Let me see if I can copy this and just post it over there. Control C. Post it somewhere else here. Let's drop it on. Maybe I do all this thing here. I'm still here. I'm still here chilling. I'm still here. All right. Okay. All right. Let's quickly pay attention here and see. All right. So a new 5 minute. Okay. The position of the candle is looking good. So let me prep to catch a trade here. I think that breakout will work out once they decide to break out above. I stay around there. So if we want to enter early, we could enter right when they break back above 40 for a quick 10 points for the first target to the 50 here. And you see, I placed my order just sitting there, but I didn't take the trade yet. Now I need to make sure that this stop stays below down there. You see my runner always ready to run, even when I'm not ready. But it reached the target. I wasn't paying attention. Hopefully they don't come back and tag me out. Because my target was a 10 point. Enter at 40, get out at 50 on the first target, right? But it's not that I wasn't paying attention. I didn't move my target on time. But it still worked out. So, yeah, thanks for being here. We're right there and welcome. I appreciate you being here. So, that was the first trade for the day, right? Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. All right, my runner just got knocked out, but there's still an opportunity because they did not break out, right? This is the 1 minute chart. We're not trading the 1 minute chart. We're really trading that 5 minute candle that you see there, the first big one, right? So we're waiting to see, can we have a 1 minute that close out of it here? If we have a 1 minute that close out, we will take the next trade for the continuation because we know the target above. The target is the 200. This strategy called the orb, but this is just a 5 minute ORB. It's just a range of the first 5 minute candle. You are looking for price to break above it and stay above it to continue the move. And okay, it looks like I'm gonna wait for this 1 minute candle to finish before I enter because there's time. We have time to catch another trade because we just catch one, but we're not gonna watch. Still waiting patiently. About 30 seconds left on that 1 minute candle. And what I'm gonna do is also change this, right, to white so I can see. But I don't think I have time to do that now. If I, while I'm doing it, it will expire 14 seconds. Okay. Okay, it's a new 1 minute candle here. We're gonna look to catch a trade. Let's say as we wait right, I'm gonna wait right around the 7 here. Sure, because my, damn it, I kind of missed what I was gonna try to do because my attempt was to try to catch at the 70 going to 80, but since that happened and the breakout already happened, I'm staying right below my stop. Stay right below that candle. If it comes back, uh, then it will hit our stop. But the reason why I still take the trade is because the target that I have up there is for price to reach that 200 area, right? But I'm not. My first target is not that. My first target is to catch the first 10 points, meaning a top of the 90. But because we enter late in this trade, I'm not 100% sure that we're going to hit our target, right? Because of the fact we enter late, right? But the real target for the trade is really the 200 area up there. But first target, we'll try to catch a 90, 190. And you can see price is really trying to get there, right? But the fact, this is messed up. My initial entry that I was looking for was here, 70 to get to 80. That would be a quick one and it was easy peasy. But unfortunately, I wasn't paying attention to the time. By the time I looked, that 1 minute candle already finished because what I was looking at is wait for the first, for that 1 minute candle so I can catch it on the next one that's going to push toward that. But it's still working out though. Doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay. So that's taking trade worked out perfectly. And a reason why I take that trade, because you know when I take a trade just to take it just for fun, right? I'm taking that trade even though I'm taking it for fun, right? Because I'm not a financial advisor. It's just for educational purposes and having some fun here. I know the target up there is 200. So that's why after the breakout of that opening range that I decide that, yeah, even though I'm entering a little late, I can take it because the target that they are looking for to go tag is the 200 right there. All right. Our runner is still doing some work, so we're just waiting.
Stop, Phil.
Okay, they took the runner out, so that's fine. So that was two trades, two good ones, and you know we can be patient now. Patient based on that the fact that they already hit that 200, right? Now the best possible trade, since we already have the opening range for the 5 minutes. There's another opening range happening right now, which is the 15-minute opening range. The fact they already added up here, I'm not going to take that right away. I want them to come back and maybe at the least, if they were to come back all the way down here, that would be great. Around the 180. 180 to around 170 area. That would be perfect for the next trade, right? But hey, we don't know if they're gonna give us that sweet trade. So we're just gonna be patient and wait, and not jumping in and not rushing in to take anything right now. I mean, look, if you've been watching my YouTube sometime, I just go in and mess around, right? And jumping in here and there. Now, I'm gonna try not to do that for you guys so you don't have those bad habits, right? That you wait for your okay, it's happening right now what I was looking for. So let's see. After a tap of the 180, if it tapped it, what happened? Why the 180 you mentioned? 175 is the London high. So a top of that area plus it's a breakout, you can see the on the 5 minute chart on that side here. Yeah, that's the breakout area. So, however, I'm looking at the hourly chart, right? On the hourly chart, the 180, 170 area is a great area to catch. But on the hourly chart, I can see that they can retrace all the way down to the 160, 150 if they want to. Now, the only problem is this poke at 200 we were looking to poke out, and you can see that line here. It represents possibly hourly. Let me see if it's on hourly. Hmm. Yeah, it represents a 4 hour mark, a candle 4 hour. These two lines that you see, that is why I'm waiting at this point. So even though the 15-minute opening range hasn't really do anything because it poked out, it comes back in. So it didn't continue to move. So we're not gonna rush into anything right now. So we're just gonna chill and possibly even wait for the next 5 minute candle here. That is coming in 1 minute. Yeah, we should wait for it in 1 minute. I know it's gonna be same thing because this candle that we trace, even though that is a good entry in this 170 area, but we don't want to jump in yet because of what happened. We push up, we above the 200, we are retracing, so we need to wait and see if we get a better opportunity to enter. Um, yeah, if you're new here, please hit the like and subscribe. I appreciate you. Uh, yeah, I'm trying to grow the channel. Just you can see that my channel is starting this 300, almost 400 forever now. I mean, it's not YouTube fault because I've not been fully active every day like some other people are, but I'm trying, you know, to be as active as possible now to push. All right, now this is a new 5 minute that is pointing. Let me see, a break of 80 again will push to that 200. We're going to try to see if we can catch another good one here. But we could even catch it at the 70, but although that candle is ugly, the one that touched the 200, because it's fully retraced and become a really, really ugly candle. But I still think we can catch 10 points here if we break the 80. But again, remember I mentioned on that the hourly candle have may open the door for price to go all the way down to the 150s. Yeah, here we go. They're going all the way down there. All right. I think if they break 170, I could catch something, but I'm not in a rush to enter this. All right, mistake. Ah, shit. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, I tried to catch the 170 to 180, but it was moving too fast for me. Hey, it still works as sweet mama. All right. Hey, you can see it right there. That's three trade, three win. Why three trade, three win? Because we are looking to enter a specific place, not just enter to enter. Right now, we shouldn't be doing anything now. If you're trading a 50K, whatever, and you had these three good trades, you should be up, you know, you should be up, a nice little amount. That means you don't have to rush to take anything else at this point, right? So you can just chill, enjoy, or you can even call it a day if you have a 50K or whatever account and you have three good winning trades like this. You don't have to stay and trade and be a hero, in the market. You could just take what you got right now and run with it. Now, don't leave the stream just because you're running with it. You can still stay and learn, but you don't have to take another trade if you don't want to. Hey, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm talking about myself. When I say you, I'm talking to me. So yeah, I don't have to take another trade. All right. This is just for we have to say things like that in YouTube, because we don't want people to come and have all the money and then just come and see me trading and then they just take all the money and then jump in and then boom, they lose their money. So yeah, that's why we give these disclaimers, right? It's to protect you, the viewer, so you don't. Okay, now we can see that something is happening here. We break above that 220. Um, we're not gonna jump in. This is in a 5 minute. There's 1 minute and 40 seconds left. I If it close above there, right, convincingly with that big body candle, on the next 5 minute candle, it may retrace and test this area, right? The 190s, 192, 200 area. Then, if that happens, then we may go for another round. And you notice that I'm not looking to take the. I'm not really looking the 1 minute, right? I'm looking at the 5 minute when I'm talking, or I can even go to the 15 minutes to see where we are, right? You see, it's good that I look at the 15 minutes. There's tiny resistance around here where we are now at the 30s, right? But I suspect that they're not gonna stay there at the 230s. They might push all the way to the 250s and possibly 260s, right? So it's good I take a quick look at 15 minutes here. And we also see this location here is important in the 15 minutes. That 150 that we took the trade earlier, that we were talking about, you see what it is? That part of the one of the highest volume nodes in the chart here. Like there's more volume, more people that was willing to trade it around this location. So yeah, one of them. All right. Already looking very nice. What I'm afraid of, since this is a nice big body, on the next hour, yeah, we might have an hour where price retraces to here again, and then maybe the following hour we get the push to go test this location up there. We'll see if that happens, but that's what you should keep in mind. And this hour is gonna be ending in 5 minutes, and that is why we're not gonna jump in and take another trade because the hourly candle is about to end right now in 5 minutes. So you don't wanna be in because they might retrace a little, you know, in that last 5 minutes. Maybe some people take a little profit before the next hourly candle show up. So that is why you gotta, be careful here. But that don't mean they're gonna collapse. It's just a thing. Whenever there's the last 5 minutes left in the hourly candle, you don't know what's gonna happen because people tend to take a little profit, even though the direction they are going is where price is going. But there might be some people that's taking a little profit before the next hour. All right. Right now it's not happening, right? But it can happen at any time. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I appreciate you. All right. Let me see something here. Yesterday I was testing this YouTube music thing library to see because what happened is I found a YouTube thing that played music, but they were copyrighting me because I guess that it wasn't really playing any serious music, but somehow YouTube was complaining. So now I went straight to the YouTube library to check things out because of what happened. So I'm gonna go there and quickly cut something here. Let's see how it goes on the little. Let's see how much of the volume. Hey, the reason why I'm not Jumping into a trade, I mentioned already, new hourly candle is coming in 3 minutes. So there's no point of jumping in, even though price is going to the moon right now, right? So I'm gonna wait. Besides, we had what, 3 serious trades, 3 really good trades. So yeah. Can you hear the music that is playing? Okay, now the new hourly candle is coming, but we're still waiting. I know you guys want to just jump in and take a trade right away, right? Look at these guys. They jump up because they are, unfortunately, some people are just, they just want you to just jump in and take trades. The market doesn't work that way. You need to be patient to catch your trade at good location. But anyway, you guys can do that whatever you want. Okay. Well, you can see that hourly candle close, new hourly candle pointing now. I expect them to retrace at least a move back down to the 200. To create a long week or something, maybe 220. So I'm not gonna jump in right away as soon as that new hourly candle should. Although it can just push, but I doubt that it's just that. I think more than likely they will push down a little bit. And you might even chat with people around this position for what? For making moves. So I'm gonna wait. You can see on the 15-minute chart we have 1, 2, 3, 4 straight new candles here. And yeah. So, don't expect price to have, maximum momentum. There's a pause, right? If you look at previous 15 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one was the time, right? If you look over here, something, they're all getting time. That's interesting. And if you look here in hourly, whenever you have such a candle, the next candle is usually not as big as that other one that will have next round. If you are having it, it's happening. If you go up, come back down, everybody starts back up again and stay there. So that is why we're not rushing. So we're just waiting to see if the chart will give us an opportunity. Now, I am not saying to do long as usual because there's no point of staying past 11 into trading unless you trade all day, right? If you trade all day, well, you could stay past 11 and then but I wouldn't be active in trade. Between 11 and 1. From 11, 12, 21, I wouldn't be too active taking trade because you already have a job, right? So these guys taking the lunch. Well, we just check. By the way, I have some links down in the description. Check now. you need to get some customers, like let's say some basic and to trade or the legend, Bulenox, Phidias, DayTrader. Check it out. I have my code down there with some links, and if you do use my code, and I get a little kickback, and it's good to support the channel. Imagine if my affiliate were really taking off, my YouTube were really taking off, I could be full-time YouTuber, doing the thing for you guys here, right? And I could do a lot more, and I will, and I think I'm gonna get there eventually, and I have some other plans for you guys. Some tools that you see in my chat, I will be putting them in my Discord for free, and I'm also going to. I already built some automated trading system bots, right? Also gonna be willing to share some of them. So I use bots sometimes if I know I'm not gonna be sitting at the chat and stuff like that. I'll turn it on and just let it do its thing. And it's single business, right? Right. Okay, as I said before, the new hourly candle will not be just something that's just gonna jump and just go to the moon, right? So you can see what it's doing right now, because after a massive move like this, you expect to fall, right? And we are coming to the area where we said they will come to the 220, 200 area, right? And then they'll probably go right back again and waste a lot of time going back and forth. That don't mean you cannot catch a trade there. Yes, you can. In our case, I don't know if you were there from early. We had 3 or 4 trades straight, 3 or 4 straight winner or something like that. So, you have to be patient and not just jump in. Wait for a good opportunity. Like for example, if you look at the 15 minutes here, if you're really a gambler that cannot wait, at least wait and see if that candle could come and touch that 220, 200, at least the 220, and see if it's retracing. We need to pause. And the 15 minutes into the pause, we need one candle to pause. Come all the way down to opportunity for this trade, which has no intention on normally, as you trading, you'll soon catch those momentum, right? But in this case, it's not a good idea to just go and jump in and catch it. We have 1, 2, 3 massive movement on the 15 minutes, massive movement. So we need to, catch trade at good location. And come to say location, I will have a nice YouTube show you later on that coming up. As soon as I get off live here, I'm gonna create it. I already have all my material ready, and then I'll post it. Hopefully, it serves some good purpose for education purposes for and by the way, the person that is really. If you do have social media, why don't you share my YouTube, help me out. Share it everywhere. not only we have the offer link down in the description, there's my code where you use my code, you get the best discount. Best discount that they have to offer with my code. No one else has better discount. Their code, nobody else code has better discount than that. Alright, and then there's also I have a website link down in the description to futureofedge.com. It's a free website where you can go and it has a risk calculator, it has a drawdown calculator, it has a acting calculator that you can put to use. And I think it can be very useful for traders that goes there and check them out. So play around with it so you can understand them, and then from there you will see the value into those calculators, how much they need. It's for free. You don't have to pay a penny. And also there's some comparison, where we compare two bottoms here and there. But the most important thing is you could always go there and check out the calculators and things like that. And and all this is for free. And that's why I said if you use my code, I will bring a lot more value that's gonna come free of charge if people continue to use my code and use my code, things like that, because I will build more stuff for free for traders and build a serious community where we can really, have fun in the market. And you see why I didn't just enter, right? On long anymore, because as I said, we have 3-4 massive green candles, so we need a pause. The pause now is reaching a good area, right? But I still won't mess with it. I prefer to wait for the next 15 minutes. I gotta change that time. Give me a second. Because normally this is why. Normally I trade on a white chart, right? I decided to try something new. Mess around with the black or dark split type chart. Since a lot of people like the dark chart, so I'm testing it out to see if that maybe better than the white one, right? So, but personally, I usually use the white one. I'm trying this. What's happening right now? Yeah, exactly what needs to be happening. Of course, candle that is resting. There's 2 minutes left, 15 minutes. So there's no point of rushing to get in there. Because we're not trading on me. We are trading 15 and 5 minutes and look at what the hourly sellers where is the next big resistance coming and so forth. Right? Wait, 5 minutes, let's see what's happening. So in the 5 minutes here we see when I say pause, you see there's a pause. There's 2 red candles that come and they stay there. So we're just gonna wait. You could catch some quick trade, but we're gonna wait at this point to see the next 15-minute candle that is coming in 3 minutes to see what it does. So you can see the real target is up there prior they are. There's a 300 also up there. Which we almost get there, but we did not reach there yet. So 300 is the first target that we made to look at once this candle is done, then there's a candle coming up. Yeah. At 11 o'clock. Let's I said before, there was no point of jumping in. You see what's happening? Unless you're just catching quick movements, which you can, but it's chopping a little bit here, creating a flag on the 1 minute. This is flag 4. So if you are messing around, you are messing with that little flag. The real move is only when they break the flag and start pushing towards that 300. And we'll be able to catch a trade. But let's wait for the in 1 minute and 30 something seconds, the next 15-minute candle will show up, and we'll see what's the direction that it goes. On the 5 minute, things not looking good again. It started to push up, right, and it retraced on high and back down. Now, if you break below on the 5 minute, if you break below the 220, we can see price go down to the 200. We test the 200 and possibly to the 195. One minute left for the 15-minute candle to finish to close out, and then the next one will show up. In the meantime, you can see on the hourly why I mentioned that after a massive green candle on the hourly, you expect a little pause, you expect price to chill out a little bit, especially their target is up here. They're trying to get to that 300, 250-ish, and possibly above, but, they're taking a pause. Chilling. Okay. Wait, I'm a little bit tired, eh? Oh, man. What? Maybe I should take a nap after that. But I need to make that video before I take a nap. Shit, I have to do everything. That thing probably will not for me. Anyway, yeah, it's alright. Okay, you see, as I said, once they break that 20 to 20, they could come all the way down here, and they are doing just that. This is the new 15 minutes, and they're choosing to pull down first, which is good news, right? Pulling down first, that means they are going to create some long week, and they're ready to attempt to go back up there. Let's see if we can catch it. Alright, let me quit. I'm quitting for a trade to the upside, but there is no rush. What I'm gonna do now, since I already see the 15 minutes what it's doing, I'm gonna look at the 5 minutes, right, to see if we get a nice opportunity on the 5 minutes. Hey, price can come all the way down here to the 173 because London High is down there, that's the breakout area. But this location where you see the bounce is important too. That's the 200, 193 around 200. So we're just gonna wait and see when can we enter and catch something. Best entry would be for price to break above here on the 5 minutes. Break above the 235 to 236 area. Yeah. Once they break above there, then we can see a move to the 50 once again. And possibly to 60, yeah. But I think 250 for now. But they will start going and try to challenge the 90, which is around the 258 to 59-ish. Yeah. What's down here on the 1? Well, you are all the way down here. 164. London is 174. And if they really want to mess around, they could come down to London. As price is fluctuating, VWAP will try to get a feel that 174 area. But that's good. What's happening on the 5 minutes? We start having that long wait, so we're gonna wait patiently. I know you are probably rushing to want to just jump in, right? No. Patient pays. So we're gonna wait. Especially we had some, 3 or 4 good trades right at the start. So we're gonna chill up. This is just for fun and educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. Alright. Okay. 1 minute, 20 seconds before that 5 minute candle close. It's still not looking, reversal yet, like price is going right back up. But however, even where we are right now, it's still a higher low. Because the next low is down here. So that means that the trajectory to go up still intact in the 5 minutes. If I look at the 15 minutes, we're still looking good because they're about to do the thing that I was waiting for them to do. Create a new candle. Alright, we're gonna get ready to catch a trade because we can see that maybe we'll catch the move from 40 to 50. Alright, I'm staying there. Yep, we got that 50. You know what I mean by 50? 250. So, alright, we catch it. And now the runner is still alive, so it's probably going to take my runner out because of that candle turned nicely green with a nice hammer looking. They might just be tricked a little bit to fake out some people before they're pushing back again. But yeah, we already catch our first 10 points, so it's no big deal. Keep the runner there. Runner still moving. Alright. I'm not moving the runner, by the way. I have it controlled. Like every 10 points that alright. Every 5 points or something. Every 10 points actually. Every 10 points that we attempt to push up, the runner will try to push up. 5 points. Every 10 points, the runner will try to catch 5 points. Okay? You see why I said we needed to wait for the next 15-minute candle, right? So they needed a pause. They needed to take a break before attempting to push. So you see what's happening now? Yes, the pause happened. We have that candle come retrace, we had a long wait. Now it's pushing up, trying to get to test this 276 and go after that 300, right? Now, our runner got knocked out, which is fine. We are going to wait for another entry. I would say the other entry would be the quickest. So the POC, the point of control, the high volume of the day is now in this location, 240-ish, around the 240-ish, right? So if we get an opportunity in that location, we will take it, right? I'm no financial advisor. This is just for fun and educational purposes only. Alright. Yeah. I should have on the 340, right? That is catching the pretty nice. They're not really. It's not really catching the falling knife, but it could turn out to be a mess up. ID waiting there. I should wait for price to come down and when they're coming back. You see, that's why that's the mess of ID because if I stop, even if they're gonna return back, then yeah. So that is the first loss. The pro winner, one stop is just yeah. That is why I should have not just come and wait down there because it could be a falling knife, before they retrace back. Next 5 minutes candle, that doesn't look too good in the 5 minutes because we're breaking the 30-ish area that is above, right? The reason that happens is because on the hourly candle, they still have room to walk around, going in and out. Because you have not even made 50% of that hourly candle, right? But, yeah. But it's still pausing around. So now this is why if you have many good winners, don't be greedy. We had 4 straight winners. So that is why we're not rushing into the many trades, right? Because conserve your winnings. You need to accept, that you already make enough, you make a good amount, so there's no need to rush into anything unless you see a perfect opportunity. Or you could set a limit, like you said, I want to into 5 trades. It doesn't matter if you were making $1 million already. Once you reach the 5 trades, you close the trade, right? You close the chart, and then, you're working the time. If you're cool, have some fun. Go to the gym, go do something else, so you don't stay there and fill up the child. Not after you already made less than 2,000 because you know it's down 500. You lost the 2,000 for 500. Now you turn into wisdom trading, like trying to I gotta make up. I'm looking next 15 minutes candle, and I will always catch another trade. So I'm gonna wait for it. That's another 3 to 4 minutes. About 3 minutes. However, you are down there. We have not come back for a while now. We have not touched you up. The moon. Don't be surprised if you come and test that 29,170 area, which is also close to the London high, I believe. That's right here. Close to the London high. So view up the gray or white looking line that is here, very close to the high that London is. So if you were to come there before the next 15-minute candle, that would be wonderful. not blow your account is to be patient. Wait for your entry. In other words, do not jump in almost like after you see a massive single green and you just jump in. There's a strategy to do that, but you must, if you want to do that, you must minimize your risk. You don't want to jump in after like a bunch of people, like 5 inch area, and go massive single. If you're not a trader, I would say you could already extend out, right? So you should wait because the price will fall for a while. Especially the target is still plus our candle was mass, right? To make real to make really good move that will happen in the next hour. But the problem is the next hour is low. You can catch it in once you catch that back into the 11 of this hour, do not especially we have a lot of good Okay, now, new 15-minute channel is coming up. You can see it right there. I was doing what I was thinking. We need to put them and start trading out this one. You know what I mean. So I'm going to prep actual trade. But I'm not rushing. Why I don't take the trade yet? Because they below the high value of the they below it. I'm gonna say that before this. You see this middle line is the QFC. That's the high value. So if you keep staying below it for a while, until you break above it, price can just keep messing around. Now I stay at the 40 because that 40 is above it. Right? The 240 is above it, so if we can start painting candle above that, we can get a quick move to the 250, to get a quick 10 points on the first target. But so far, not doing anything. I know maybe I should get out of it. Looks like we have about 2%. Passing the 3 bar for this. Okay, 1, 2, and we are about. I think we're trying to stay above it and break it. Something really cool, but it's not happening. We are over that. But I'm not doing that. I said I was going to start before. Because I see that on the 5 minutes, I am going in and I'll put my stop below that and try to get first target. And then keep my runner to get to that edge. Okay. Even though I said let's target get to that 50, the real target that they're trying to go to was so low. That 300, 29,300. Where they're trying to get to get it. And then after that, so I look at 15 minutes, after the 300, right, then go another target right there at 332. And the main target the main event is around Friday high, the 360 something. So the runner is doing his job. Now, if you didn't enter the trade, they're trying to target trade at 2.8. So you could, I mean, if I didn't enter already, since my runner got knocked out, I will take that trade that I was thinking. No. The next time they break the 60 here on the next 1 minute candle possibly. But if they do it on the next 1 minute, for example, that would be a better entry. So that's why I would use on the next 1 minute. Because it would create a small 3-bar play on the 1 minute, allow the extension to happen. So I'm going to stay there at the 60 and see. Okay, now I could stay there at the 50 or even 60. Bring it down a bit more because of what's happening. Stay there at the 40. Right. And then try to catch that. Stop down. Try to catch them to 50. Once they break above the 40, they're gonna try to. But the only problem is if you look at on the 5 minutes here, it's not looking good. Yeah, I knew that they could take my stock because of the way the 5 minutes is not able to stay above this yellow line that you see there. So we're gonna wait. No more entry until you see that they show that they are staying above here, above the 40. And that may happen. So there's a new 5 minutes coming. So it doesn't look good in the 5 minutes to send the information. But because we push up and we trace the entire move down on that last candle. So meaning they open the door, there's more there that is interested in going down. Yeah, so we're gonna wait. We need to see price above 220 for towards the 260 again. However, you could prep and 230 again. Alright, just waiting. Alright, got it. 220, and then we got that 230. It still doesn't look good. That's why I think it's that last thing was the only, but it wasn't out. So we can get to that 250 again. So we need candles to keep our better to continue pushing. Alright, the runner is doing its job. You know, I'm taking that mini trade. If I wasn't doing it right now, I'd probably use that trade. Because I had pretty good, like 5, 6 pretty good trades. So there's, I'm only taking some trades just to keep you seeing the opportunity that this is just a rounded running at hit, meaning that was fairly good. That hit, but you can catch a big thing from this trade and catch it. So we're going to go to that hit. Catch it right now. Staying there for the next push above 40. Catch that. And I'm going to adjust my stop a little. Should be very good. then we'll stay neutral. We'll stay neutral. Yeah. This is why you don't just keep taking trade, right? Yeah. You see some good stuff, you jump in, they come for your stuff. I think the best opportunity, as I said before, is the next hour candle. Just to wait for the next hour candle that's coming, you can type something to get to all the way here. It is 350 to 60. I'm gonna chill. After that, as I said, I'm finishing out the next hourly candle. We will not be here. Everybody will stop. Because I have to do. Alright, yeah. You see, it's a lot of chop here. That's why I didn't like that candle previously, right? It's a stupid candle, so that's why this tried to push and could not push because the sellers got pushed down. They're still around. They're trying to, get in. Nobody can reach down here. They're 190. Okay. Oh, the music is not too loud. Well, we just chill here at this point. Because we started in a chop formation from the flag, but there's a lot of chop in the flag area. Flag to push up. A lot of chop. And I think it's gonna stay that way probably until the next hour is changes. I'm gonna change this to light blue. What's going to change? I don't think we should enter on anything right now. We should wait. If you're new, you please hit the like and subscribe. I appreciate it. We are heading down, as I said. That's why we're not entering yet. So there will be no action until the next hourly candle, but there might be some action after we reach this 150-ish. 29-150. There might be some action on maybe around the 20. Yeah, let's say 20. Once you need some action, because you are right there at the London eye. So you see they just come and tap it, and then choose side of it. Yeah. See my little arrow is pointing. There's some action. We can catch something from the few applications, but I'm gonna wait for the time to show 1 minute here. I'm waiting for 12 minutes. Plus the 5 minutes is still not looking good. Right, we're below this area. So, however, we are up here. Okay, all right. We're gonna wait. Like I said, the best trade is the hourly candle, but let's see the 15 minutes. So there's gonna be no 15-minute candle coming. Let's see the reaction. How does it behave? Does it come down here to the 150 on the new 15-minute candle and then we trade and stay in this location here until next hourly candle swing? Yeah, possible. Yeah. Alright. Waiting. Yesterday, what happened is that it come on live, but the software for the stream forced me to update. I mean, it didn't force me, asked to upgrade, and I was going to update and did the stream, and it messed up the microphone driver or something. It was just, that's why I removed it. Alright, if you just want to catch a quick something, you can look at the 5 minutes here and see the reaction. We are holding about the 190. There's that one going here. Down here, we have to begin right here. One way. There was somewhere I was looking at let's see what that idea candle is doing. It's happening there. Yeah, it could come all the way down here to the 150. Apparently it's not coming, but it could. It chose to push right back up, so we're gonna wait. Besides, like I said, the best trade would be to wait for the next hour candle, but that would be 15 minutes from now. If you're in a rush to catch a trade, hey, if you catch the most of 20 here, then you're gonna go to 20. There you go, 20. What's a quick 10 point? Why did I take that trade? It's because this candle reached exactly the same location. It's become a double bottom well, pushing with momentum. And if we go look at the 50 weeks, we can see why. Right? This new candle is doing what I think was going to try to push it. Maybe stick around here until the next candle come up in 30 minutes, but they're going to keep messing around sufficiently to next hour candle. That's going to be the real push to go above here, right? So the next hour candle is the real push. So if you are patient enough, you're willing to wait for this ugly to pass, and you're going to just rush in and wait to see the hourly candle what it does. So it may open, right? Initially pretend like it's pushing down to create a long wick at the bottom so we can push up. But I think there's a good probability that next hourly candle will reach up here. But wait to see that. I won't be around in the next hour because I'm closing the stream at 11 o'clock. What I need to do. But I do appreciate you being here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and check the links down in the description. I have links for many platforms down there with my code that you can use to grab some account. And using my code and my link, you always get the best. Always the best discount I have to offer. So that's why using my link, you have nothing to lose. You have things to do. So, but it looks like trying to push it in, but I think they can get to that 50 to 50 again. They can go to 250, but let's wait and see what happens in the 5 minutes as it's coming out. In 1 minute, there's going to be another 5 minutes in there. We want to see the reaction. What does it do? And how this candle close, the one going. Really messing around. It's not closing above this one. But if it doesn't close above this one, then it's just, messing around. It needs to, that 5 minute candle needs to close above this red candle in 41 seconds. So if that doesn't happen, that's why we wait to see what happens in the next 5 minutes. But again, if you wanna really catch something good that has a higher probability for you to make money, you wait for the next hour candle that's coming in 10 minutes. Yeah. Go below my description. So the 5 minute opening range works perfectly today. Which we catch, by the way, if you weren't there. We just gotta wait. The wait. I think we should even wait. Don't take any trade until the next hour window. Yeah, that's what I would do. So there's a flag here forming in the 5 minutes, right? Even though it's chopping, it's a flag. The flagpole is right here, and this is the flag. Now, that indication does give us the indication that prices want to move, so they just pause and building pressure here to accompany the move. But that has to be thought. It would be best if it happened on the next hour window, because that would bring bigger players to push price to the okay. it. So the hourly candle is still not gonna be here until another 7, you know, another 6 minutes and change. So just chill. So new 5 minutes candle is coming soon in 1 minute, but I think just to wait. Doesn't matter if the 5 minutes might push up. The real move is going to be based on what the hourly candle does, which I think will pause the entire hour here. The next hourly candle will give the opportunity to get up here. But I won't be around for me. 11 o'clock, I'm all it. Just waiting. Okay, until 4 minutes before the next hour again. Be patient. Patient. Okay, back. 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes to the next hourly candle. 5 minutes start looking like you're getting ready to start pushing. So still gonna wait. 2 minutes. If somebody wants to mess early, like somebody wants to enter early, sure, clear, but the topic is to be too much. That's why we have to wait. Start. Enter here, the topic is to be 190. You don't want to do that right now, unless you have a reason. Maybe if you're trading micros, if you're trading MNQ, you can do that, something like that. Like you enter early into the large stop. But other than that, we don't want to do that. There's a new hourly candle, there's no guarantee that it's just going to come up. It's supposed to slightly down to create a week. Before pushing up, like down and trade to create a long one. But we could catch a 10 point here. So we have the 40 mark. Let's do the game. This comes back to 40. Our building is that it's going to touch it. Okay, but it may not. Why? Because of the hourly candle that is coming. But let's see. Might not, right? Because of the hourly candle, there's no guarantee that the momentum to push up is going to continue because there are traders that are thinking about the hourly candle. I don't know what it's going to do. Let me take my profits a little. But at the same time, it could quickly touch there and then return back. Now, this is just this is just a game for the trade. There's no guarantee for it, right? But I can see from what I see on the last two candles of speed that have value, they are up there at the 52, the 62. So I'm thinking this candle is trying to challenge. Okay, here we go. The challenge is that is this a new hourly candle? Yeah, the new hourly candle is that. Well, we entered early, I guess. So what I expected new hourly candle to do is to push above, but it didn't create any wick yet. There's no wick at all. So it may retrace back. With some kind of weak, some kind of weak is a little wiki. So it didn't create one. We did enter early because we're trying to catch the 10 points, but that's the fact that we knew the price was gonna be trying to touch the 250. Even if they go into the trip. But hey, we already missed it. We'll take that. Let's see if they continue and go straight to the 300 while they are still there. Very much see that this. They didn't create a week. I don't know if that's they may retreat up, but I think they should retreat now and create a week so they can have more momentum to get go to the moon and not looking back. Alright, it's 11 o'clock. As I said, even though I'm not going to be there, but what you are looking to catch is this candle is just an hourly now, right? It's going to trade over. It's going to trade everything that it does. It's going to create a week. After you create a week, once it comes back and we have 40, that's when you enter and put your start maybe below 230 if you can afford even below. Below 230. Depending on what size of the week that this candle creates. So once you create a week, if you can afford to put yourself right below the week that it creates, you can catch the rest of the move to go all the way up to the 300. But I wouldn't just leave my stop down there. If there's movement of a number of points, I would just try to catch something. It looks like they're not even giving the opportunity to do that week. They're ready to move. Okay, they are moving. They're not back to create a week for now. I'm going to take one more trade before I go. They are at 7. Once they reach 7 and showing something there, I will get in to catch the move to here. Because they're going to touch 8. I'm going to clean up stuff. Right here. They're going to touch 8. Now, whether they want to touch it before coming back to my start, question. Coming to my start before they do so. Alright, no big deal. But the move is, if you do catch the trade, if you put your stop, I think if you put your stop below 240, if you can afford to put the stop below 240, you can stay in that trade because they did that 3 the week, they chose not to. So I think they're gonna go to that 300 before they come back and clear a week or whatever. But going towards that 280 now, still not there, just sniffing around. But I'm gonna call it up for this trade because as I said I was gonna start at 11. Come on, don't come for the runner. They got to 25 and they are messing around. The reason why that happened is because this thing doesn't make it to the 280 now. There's a new 5 minutes that is messing around, trying to come in the middle of that. So they may come back and hit back before going there. Because the new 5 candle, let's see if they do that or not. Make it up there first. Okay, they did make it up there, so that means now we can stick to that 200, 300 and yeah. Alright, anyway, that was it, and I hopefully you did catch that one too. Whoever is there with me. Yeah, so we just chill. That's what it is. I'm gonna close the screen. Let's be straight, bro. I gotta go. Alright, take care. See you next time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and check the links down in the description. Use my link, use my code to get the best discount. Always best discount on all the products that I have down in the description. And don't forget, today I'm gonna put a video out that you may need to look forward to watching this. Alright, take care.